Hello everyone, welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today we are going to draw and color Hello Kitty is sleeping with her presents and Christmas tree. Let's start drawing first. So cute. Joey has a pillow in her hand. Hello Kitty's doll. Bedside lamp. I like to see the moon and stars from the window of my room. Christmas tree. I love my pen. Presents. Fantastic! Now, I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. So cute! Joey. Is the kitty doll more beautiful or herself? Bedside lamp. I like to see the moon and stars from the window of my room. Christmas tree. Presents. Finally, I paint the wall and floor with pastels. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.